The most popular day trading strategy is the support and resistance level breakout. A lot of people do not see the trend line, but they do see the support and resistance levels. Here is how it works. When the market makes either two highs or two lows horizontally, we can draw a horizontal line. So this line is the support or resistance levels. In this case, it is the support level. So basically, we're waiting for the market to go down to penetrate this level, and then this is the breakout with consecutive bear bars in this case. After that, we expect the market to go back, to pull back, to test the level again. Sometimes when the breakout is too strong, it doesn't have to test the level again. And then we wait for the market to go down, give us a signal so we can go short. We enter here and expect the market to go to a second leg down here. How can we find out the support and resistance levels? First, we can use the previous day's high, low, open, and close. It depends on different instruments. Some follows the high-low, some follows the open and close. We can also use the same day previous high and lows as long as it has been tested. We can also use the pivot point or levels. You can search online to see the calculation for the pivot levels, and most of the brokers will provide these pivot levels in their chart. We can also use the specific price, like 1.0000 for euro or $100 for crude oil, or any other support or resistance levels that you discover in your trading. Here is an example. In this chart, we have the previous day's low drawing here. We can certainly see that these 3 points is testing the previous low and then bounce back. That means the market is following this previous low. It is a very good support or resistance levels. In this case, previously, it is support level. And here, the market penetrates this level by a breakout greatly, and then we wait for the market to pull back. You can see the market retested this level. So right now, this level becomes resistance levels. And then when you see the bear bar here, you can enter after this bear bar finishes. Or you can also wait a little bit. Here's another very good signal bar. Or even further, you can see it tries to test this level for the third time. You can also enter here or add your position to go short. You can see later on the market goes down even further. So this strategy provides very good opportunity for you to gain the profit.